Hey guys, we're going to go over our Forex trades for Friday, March 22nd. No real economic news to talk about, so it was just trading on technical. There was some possible news coming from Cyprus, but nothing really broke until after we were done trading. So we'll go over the trades as you see them here. There were 3 trades, pulled out 23.2 pips. Kind of choppy action, although a little bit better than we did better than we thought because we had, we'd run really good trade, but you'll see that. So first trade here is a pound to dollar, went short 1.05194. Pretty easy trade. It came right down to a level of resistance, a level of support. So we covered it, picked up 10.5 pips. It ultimately was the right move. Just got a move here from the news coming out of Cyprus, so I'm glad we were out of it. Going to the Australian dollar, US dollar, we were short this 1.04250 around 8:30 this morning. Was up, only up maybe 2 or 3 pips at one point when it was in this area of support. Really contemplated covering it, even when it bounced here and then came back down to that level. I was still should have covered it, as it turned out. Didn't, and it started to move. So we lost 10.1 pips on that trade, so pretty much flat on the day after those two. And this was the big winner, US dollar to Swiss franc. We were short this just ahead of 9 o'clock, 0.94275. It tried to move up a little bit, but really couldn't get any steam going. Was looking to take a loss if it moved up to this area here. Risking about 20, 20, 22, 23, 24 pips in that area. But it never even approached it. I think we were down maybe 12 pips at the most at one point. And then, boom, started to break down hard. This was before any news from Cyprus. Grabbed the pips, 22.4 pips. Obviously, again, not going to get the bottom. This was correlating with this little area here that you might be able to say, oh, this might be a little area of support, this old resistance here. And that's pretty much where it came down to. So when I saw that, that's where we covered 22.4 pips. Left some pips on the table, like I said, an easy 5 pips on the table. But can't complain. It was a good trade. Again, we were in it maybe an hour, and when it took off, and since then hasn't really gone down anymore. I mean, it looks like it still wants to go down because it's making lower highs, which is a bearish sign, except for this last candle that we're in right now. I don't know if you're still in it. I would set a stop on it somewhere to lock in some profits. But that's it for the week. We're going to wrap it up. Kind of whipsaw week, but profitable. If you're still watching the algorithm, that link's out there and still working until the close today. And we'll be back on Monday. If you're still trading, good luck.